In this video, let us see how to install RN400. The RN400 can be mounted by using magnets or screws. When mounting the RN400 with screws, first secure the top and bottom right screws, then secure the left middle screw. After fixing the main body, insert the C-type battery, which is the main power source. Additional adapters are also available for use. Now close the front cover of the case. Turn the screw in place to secure it. Press the buttons in the order of W, S, S, W for Wi-Fi setting. To enter config mode access point, check the soft access point, name and access address. Connect RN400 soft access point in smartphone or PC Wi-Fi settings. When connecting to the RN400 soft access point, does not appear to be connected to internet. If you are using iOS, select Keep Trying Wi-Fi. If you are using Android OS, select Connect Only this time, or Always Connect, on the screen. After Wi-Fi is connected, connect to 192.168.1.1 in a web browser. In Wi-Fi network setup, choose a Wi-Fi access point. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Then press Apply. If you choose to restart, RN400 will automatically reboot. When connected to Wi-Fi, I-code is displayed on the screen. After scanning the QR code to access the RADIONODE 365 device registration screen, enter the I-code to complete device registration in the RADIONODE 365 platform. Now RN400 installation is complete. The RN400 supports a variety of sensors. Select and use the sensors you need in the field. In this video, we learned how to install the RN400.